So yeah, I don't know. This was a totally random video. At this current time, I'm like, am I even gonna post it? A little embarrassing, you know? So we're gonna get up close and personal today, and I'm gonna be really vulnerable. And I try to be vulnerable online because I think that the world needs more of that, because sometimes you just deal with stuff that is like just part of the human experience, and sometimes your experience feels very unique to you, but maybe someone else has been through it, and sometimes it's just comforting to know that other people go through weird things in life. So what am I talking about? I have
chin hair.
I do. Look, I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't know why I have it. I know my grandmother had chin hair. I feel like a lot of older people do, like really older people, and I think it just gets to a point where they just don't care anymore. And I usually like pluck the hairs when I see them, but I actually wanted to try something new today, so I ordered this, and I've been hanging on to it for like I think 2-3 weeks, and the goal was to make a YouTube video using this for the first time. And that's why I was letting these kind of grow too. So this is GG Strip Free, no epilating strips needed, microwave hair removal wax. Still in the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy up. Microwave wax, and just, I mean, forgive me, I look a little homely right now. I literally woke up, did I wash my face yet? I woke up, I threw on some clothes and fed my son breakfast, and we went to school just a little bit ago, and I wanted to do this before I hopped in the shower. So here are the instructions. 1. Remove the cap and the plastic disc. 2. Place jar in the center of a microwave safe plate. 3. Heat for 30 seconds on high setting. 4. Remove the jar from the microwave carefully using the handle. Break the surface of the wax with a large applicator. If wax has not melted, reheat in 15-second increments until you can stir the wax so it takes on a thick, caramel-like consistency. Note: heating time varies with each microwave. Do not heat wax for more than a total of 1 minute, as wax may be too hot to apply. 5. Test the wax temperature on the inside of your wrist before application. So it wants me to use a cleanser that I don't have. It's part of the same line here of GG. So I am going to use I have some isopropyl alcohol in this bottle. I'm just gonna spray on this microfiber cloth and clean the area. And I'm assuming that alcohol should be fine. We'll find out. It also wants me to use some kind of an oil, the epilating oil. I don't have that. So I'm not really sure. I have some extra virgin olive oil. So let me just put a little dab of that on. Oh boy, that's a lot. I have a mirror here so I can make sure I'm getting the right spots. Okay, so now we're ready to go in with the wax. According to the directions, I'm supposed to go against the hair growth and then with it. Oh my, I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna drip this all over my counter. We're just gonna start with a little section there. And it says to use your fingers to kind of squish it. I feel like it's a little warm yet. Doesn't seem to be working. Okay. It has a very unique smell. It's sort of camphorous in nature. So a little mentholated. It's not wonderful, but it's not horrible either. All right, I think that we're ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it worked. Let me show you. This is kind of gross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hairs. And that was just on this little portion of my chin. It said to apply pressure after. I don't really feel like I need to. Oh wow, we missed a lot. We missed a lot. Okay. Let's try it again.
Oh my god.
Let's go over here too. Most of this is falling right back into the wax container, thankfully. Okay. I wonder if the olive oil was like too much, and that's why I wasn't super. I mean, it did get some hairs, but it didn't get as many as I thought it was going to on the first shot. Okay. Let's give this a shot here. 1, 2. Okay, got some more. There's definitely some spots here where it looks like we're missing some. Show that to you. Got some more. Looks like we're just missing, it looks like we're just missing like 2 or 3 hairs from what I can see. I'm gonna do one more pass before this completely solidifies. I've always been jealous of the girls that get their eyebrows waxed because I started plucking my eyebrows when I was in, I think it was like 5th or 6th grade, and I plucked them almost obsessively to the point where they just like stopped growing back. It was like a thing in the early 2000s to have really skinny eyebrows. I also had a friend that had she was gothic, so she had like pencil thin, she actually would shave her brows and draw on these pencil thin eyebrows, and I always thought that looked so cool. And I probably could have done the same thing, but instead I decided to do a little bit more permanent damage. And I'll never forgive my younger self for that, but it's all good. You know, I'm learning to embrace what's left. I do use like some castor oil on my eyebrows at night when I remember, to see if they'll be a little more fuller. But yeah, I don't seem to have any problem growing hair on other parts of my face. Like, what the heck? Very annoying. All right, this is going to be the last pull here, and then any other little stragglers, I will use my tweezers on. It's sticking to my skin pretty good here. Ah. Okay. Just trying to get like a little area to grip. Okay, 1, 2. Oh wow, yes, that was a good one. I did not see that many left when I was looking in the mirror. Oh my god, okay. Wow. This is crazy. What is going on? Well, I think I'm gonna be done with that for now, so I am going to, a little pink. I'm gonna go, oh, I have an idea. I got my little ice roller here. I thought it stopped recording. Oh my god, that would have sucked. So, this will help calm the area. Ooh, it feels good. It didn't really hurt at all, honestly. I think that that's got to be the least sensitive spot for me anyway to remove hair in that way. I don't wax anything. And so that's doable. I don't know if it's worth it. You know, I'd rather probably just use tweezers, but I think that that's a good way to tackle it in a way if you had like a bunch that you need to get rid of, you know? And honestly, I do get like some darker hairs here too, but they're kind of far and few between. So I just don't feel like waxing would be the best way to handle those, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go hop in the shower and try and wash the rest of this wax off my skin. I don't think there's very much left on there, thankfully, but I can like feel it, and the smell, I really don't care for the smell. It's very menthol and kind of gross. So I'm gonna go hop in the shower, pluck any remaining hairs I may find. It's always good to pluck hair after a shower when the warm water and the warm air has like loosened up your skin a little bit, makes it less painful. And I'll check back with you in a second. Okay, I I took a shower and I did like a full face of makeup because I need to get some work done today. Generally, I don't wear this like much makeup. I mean, I have foundation and stuff on. So I'm not even sure you're gonna be able to see my chin situation now, but the wax did a pretty good job. There was like 2 or 3 little hairs left behind that I just plucked when I was done with my shower. So yeah, I don't know. This was a totally random video. At this current time, I'm like, am I even gonna post it? A little embarrassing, you know? But again, I just think it's important. Like, sometimes people hold creators up on this pedestal. I'm not saying that's the case for me, but I just think that some people like just show all the good stuff online, and I am really trying to be authentic to my life experiences, even the ugly ones, you know. I wouldn't even call it ugly, it's just natural, you know? So anyway, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Do you have weird body hair in places, and how do you deal with it? Have a good day, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.